Hello children, I am Mrs. Celestina Lakra teaching in Mahatma Gandhi Higher Secondary School, Shajapur. I am the maths teacher of class 1st. How are you students? I hope all are fine. Because of COVID-19, we could not conduct the classes for you. So today onwards, I will take the online classes for you. I suppose you might have forgotten what you have learned in the previous class. Do you remember? Yes, very good. Well, I will revise it for you once again. Now, before I begin with pre-number concept, I want to inform you that this book is new and the name of the book is Pulse. So, all of you open your book, page number 72. Now, we will start with pre-number concept. The topic is big and small. Take the one which is small. There are two fishes. Find out which fish is small. First fish or second fish? Yes, very good. Second fish is small. So put the tick mark on the small fish. There are two fruits. Find out which fruit is small. First fruit or second fruit? Yes, you are right. First fruit is small. So put the tick mark on the small fruit. Color the one which is big. There are two balls. Find out which ball is big. First ball or second ball? Yes, you are right. First ball is big. So put the color on the big ball. There are two leaves. Find out which leaf is big. First leaf or second leaf? Yes, you are right. Second leaf is big. So put the color on the big leaf. Now we will study about long or short. Take the object which is long and cross out the one which is short. There are two scales. The length of one scale is long and another scale is short. Find out which scale is long and which scale is short. Yes, first scale is long. So put the tick mark on the first scale. And second scale is short. So put the cross mark on the second scale. There are two dresses. Find out which dress is long and which dress is short. Yes, very good. First dress is long. So put the tick mark on the long dress. And second dress is short. So put the cross mark on the second dress. Did you understand this page? Okay, now go to page number 73. Let's study about tall or short. Take the one which is tall. There are two buildings. Find out which building is tall. First building or second building? Yes, very good. First building is tall. So put the tick mark on the first building. There are two animals. Find out which animal is tall. First animal or second animal? Yes, you are right. First animal is tall. So put the tick mark on the tall animal. Cross out the one which is short. There are two jokers. Find out which joker is short. First joker or second joker? Yes, very good. Second joker is short. So put the cross mark on the second joker. There are two plants. Find out which plant is short. First plant or second plant? Yes, very good. First plant is short. So put the cross mark on the first plant. Now we will study about more or less. Tick the groups which have more. There are two groups. In the first group, 5 oranges are there, and in the second group, 3 oranges are there. Find out in which group more number of oranges are there. Yes, in the first group, number of oranges are more. So put the tick mark on the first group. In the first group, 8 beads are there, and in the second group, 14 beads are there. Find out in which group more number of beads are there. Yes, you are right. In the second group, number of beads are more. So put the tick mark on the second group. In the first group, 4 chicks are there, and in the second group, 2 chicks are there. Find out in which group more number of chicks are there. Yes, you are right. In the first group, number of chicks are more. So put the tick mark on the first group. There are 6 balloons in the first group and 4 balloons in the second group. Find out in which group more number of balloons are there. Yes, very good. In the first group, number of balloons are more. So put the tick mark on the first group. Understood all of you? Okay. Now open the page number 74. Color the groups which have less. In the first circle, in the first group, 4 kites are there, and in the second group, 2 kites are there. Find out in which group less number of kites are there. Yes, very good. In the second group, number of kites are less. So put the color on the second group. In the first group, 3 apples are there, and in the second group, 7 apples are there. Find out in which group less number of apples are there. Yes, you are right. In the first group, number of apples are less. So put the tick mark on the first group. The next topic is sorting. Sorting means find out the different one. Tick the ones that do not belong to the groups. There are 2 groups. In the first group, except insect, insect is the different one. And all the other items in the group are vegetables. So put the tick mark on the insect. In the second group, except ball, ball is the different one or the odd one. And all the other living beings in the group are animals. So put the tick mark on the ball. Understood all of you? Okay. Now go to page number 75. Let's come to the matching. Draw lines to match the objects of same color. Here one example is given. Green vegetable is matching with green insect. Like that, we have to match the same color of the objects. Red apple is matching with red tomato. Yellow mango is matching with yellow banana. Orange is matching with orange juice. Match the groups that have the same number of objects. There are 3 rainy clouds. In other side, which objects are 3 in number? Yes, umbrella. Very good. 3 rainy clouds are matching with 3 umbrellas. There are 4 badminton rackets. In other side, which objects are 4 in number? Yes, you are right. Shuttlecock. 4 badminton rackets are matching with 4 shuttlecocks. There are 5 Colgates. In other side, which objects are 5 in number? Yes, very good. Brush. Colgates are matching with brushes. There are 6 cups. In other side, which objects are 6 in number? Yes, very good. Saucer. Cups are matching with saucers. There are 2 flowers. In other side, which objects are 2 in number? Yes, butterfly. Flowers are matching with butterflies. There is only 1 table. In other side, which object is 1 in number? Yes, chair. Table is matching with chair. Did you understand this page? Okay. Now for the homework, take page number 76. I suppose things are clear. Okay then, have a good day.